The topic of this video is how to remove the Threads badge from your Instagram profile. So, let's begin. Get your Threads account active. If there isn't one, install the app from the Google Play Store on an Android smartphone, then sign up for an account. You must visit the App Store if you have an iPhone. Threads is closely linked to the Meta platform Instagram, requiring users to have Instagram and use Threads with the same identity. I'll show you the simplest way to remove the Threads badge from your Instagram profile. The Threads badge on Instagram is basically a sign showing a special connection between your Instagram profile and the Threads app. When you see this badge, it means you've linked the two platforms. You just have to open your Instagram account. And then open your profile from the bottom right corner of the screen, where you can see many options like edit and share profiles, etc. You will see the Threads logo just beneath your username. Simply press that logo and a menu will appear with two options, like View Threads Profiles and Hide Badges. If you want to view the Threads profile, you can do it from here. But we just will press the Hide Badge and another confirmation message will be shown. Just press the button Remove Badge to allow them to follow your instructions and remove the badge. It will be removed. See, the Threads logo has vanished. That's how you can remove the Threads badge from your Instagram profile. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.